how to fix Ark crashing on PS5. I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, go into your settings. Now select screen and video. Go here and scroll down until you see HDR and try turning this off temporarily. See if that fixes the issue. We can proceed to the next fix, which is going to be choosing users and accounts, then going into other, restore licenses, and here you just want to select Ark Raiders and you will restore this. Now once you have done this as well, the last thing that I suggest doing is going to be checking your connection. So go into network, then settings, set up internet connection, press the options button on your controller. So it's going to be this one. Press on it, go into Wi-Fi frequency bands, change this to 5 GHz only, then go into advanced settings, DNS settings, and change it from automatic to manual. And you want to type for the primary DNS 1.1.1.1 and for your secondary DNS 1.0.0.1. Afterwards, click on OK, connect to the internet, and this should fix the Ark error with it crashing. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.